Samsung is getting ready to launch its latest Galaxy A series smartphones, and now their official accessories have surfaced online, giving us a preview of what's coming. The leaked images reveal the different types of cases and screen protectors that will be available for the Galaxy A56, A36, and A26. So, what options will Samsung offer to keep these devices safe and stylish? Let's take a closer look. Reports have already unveiled the design and specifications of these upcoming models, and Samsung itself briefly listed them on its website, hinting that an official launch is not far away. Now, over 100 images have appeared, showcasing the range of official accessories Samsung has prepared, including various cases and screen protectors. These leaks confirm that the company is focused on offering protection and convenience for its users right from the start. For the Galaxy A26, Samsung has prepared at least 3 different case options. The clear case is a simple yet effective choice, allowing users to show off the phone's original design while still adding a layer of protection. The rugged case, built for durability, is only available in black and is meant to handle tougher conditions. Another option is the card slot case, which includes a space to hold cards and comes in black and blue. Additionally, Samsung will provide an official screen protector to help prevent scratches and smudges on the display. Moving on to the Galaxy A36, Samsung is expanding the selection with an additional case option. Alongside the clear case, rugged case, and card slot case, there will also be a silicone case for this model. This case is designed for a comfortable grip and is made from soft silicone material with a microfiber lining inside to prevent scratches. It will be available in black, green, and purple. Meanwhile, the rugged case remains limited to black, and the card slot case will come in black and blue. Just like the A26, the A36 will also have an official screen protector to keep the display safe from everyday wear and tear. The Galaxy A56 will share the same 4 case options as the A36. The clear case provides basic transparent protection, keeping the phone's design visible while offering some defense against minor damage. The rugged case is built for durability and comes exclusively in black. For those who want convenience, the card slot case allows users to carry their essential cards and is available in black and blue. The silicone case, designed for a secure grip and a sleek look, will be offered in black, green, and pink. Samsung is also including a screen protector to help shield the display from daily use. With these accessories, Samsung gives users different ways to protect and customize their Galaxy A series devices. Some may prefer the minimal look of the clear case, while others might opt for the added durability of the rugged case. The card slot case brings practicality by allowing users to carry their cards without needing a separate wallet. Meanwhile, the silicone case strikes a balance between style, comfort, and protection. However, the limited color options might leave some users wishing for more variety. By providing these official accessories, Samsung is ensuring that customers have reliable options for protecting their new devices instead of depending entirely on third-party brands. As the launch date approaches, these leaks give a clear picture of what to expect when these smartphones hit the market. The real question is, do these cases and accessories meet your expectations, or were you hoping for something different? Let us know your thoughts, and if you found this update useful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more news on the latest tech releases. The buzz around Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 has already captured the attention of tech enthusiasts worldwide, as the next-generation foldable phones, their mid-year launch is eagerly anticipated. But here's the twist. While these devices promise some refinements, they might not deliver the groundbreaking upgrades many are hoping for. This cautious approach raises an important question. Is Samsung saving its best for later? Reports from South Korea suggest that Samsung's foldable phones might see significant innovations only with the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8. This information came from an interview with a Fastbrit executive representing Samsung's first high-density interconnect supplier for the Galaxy S25 series. According to the executive, Samsung plans to sell 6 million units of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 combined. However, they set a higher sales target of 7 million units for their successors, the Flip 8 and Fold 8. This shift in focus hints at Samsung's strategy of reserving transformative features for future models. Despite their popularity, Samsung's foldables seem to be in a transitional phase, focusing on refinement rather than revolution. While this could align with a broader strategy to manage expectations, it leaves room for competitors to make bolder moves in the foldable market. The company's careful approach might frustrate fans eager for groundbreaking innovations, especially as rivals continue to push boundaries in the foldable space. Samsung's broader business strategy reflects a mix of ambition and caution. This year, the company aims to sell 230 million smartphones. While this is an impressive target, it falls short of the 300 million units Samsung shipped in 2019. The global pandemic caused a significant shift in consumer behavior, and smartphone sales have struggled to recover fully. Last year, Samsung shipped approximately 222 million smartphones, a figure that underscores the need for a standout product to regain its market dominance. Interestingly, while the foldable lineup may seem conservative this year, the Galaxy S25 series is positioned to shine. The Galaxy S24 had a strong showing in 2024, selling 35 million units and outpacing the Galaxy S23. Samsung is now projecting even better results for the Galaxy S25 series, with expected sales of 37 million units. This includes plans to produce 13 to 14 million Galaxy S25 units, 6 to 7 million Galaxy S25 Plus units, and a staggering 17 million Galaxy S25 Ultra units. If these figures hold, the S25 series could surpass the legendary Galaxy S10 lineup, which achieved sales of 35 million units during its peak. This strategic balance highlights Samsung's focus on solidifying its flagship offerings while carefully navigating the foldable segment. The Galaxy S25 series builds on proven success, aiming to capture the attention of premium smartphone buyers. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 represent a steady evolution, likely designed to maintain interest in the foldable category without overshadowing future innovations. Looking ahead, Samsung faces a pivotal moment. The foldable market is growing rapidly, and competitors are making aggressive moves to capture consumer attention. Samsung's cautious approach with the Flip 7 and Fold 7 could pay off if it allows the company to perfect its technology for future iterations. However, it also risks creating an opportunity for rivals to dominate the foldable space in the short term. On the other hand, the Galaxy S25 series serves as a reminder that Samsung knows how to deliver high-performing, consumer-friendly devices that appeal to a broad audience. As these devices make their way to market, it will be fascinating to see how Samsung's strategy plays out. Will the focus on refinement and stability keep them ahead in the foldable race, or will competitors seize the opportunity to leap ahead? At the same time, the Galaxy S25 series could strengthen Samsung's position in the flagship market, showcasing its ability to adapt and innovate. Thank you for joining us to explore the latest updates on Samsung's upcoming devices. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of foldable phones and flagship models, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more insights and updates from the world of technology. See you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 is stirring up buzz in the tech world, particularly around its rumored support for the Ki-2 wireless charging standard. Ki-2 represents the next step in charging technology, promising seamless connections with magnetic alignment for accessories like chargers and wallets. But with Samsung, things are rarely straightforward, and the story of Ki-2 on the Galaxy S25 comes with a twist. The Ki-2 wireless charging standard, introduced a couple of years ago, was a game-changer. Inspired by Apple's MagSafe, it introduced the magnetic power profile, a system that ensures perfectly aligned charging every time. Devices boasting the Ki-2 logo are guaranteed to include this feature, opening up a world of magnetic accessories and making charging more efficient and reliable. Naturally, the idea of seeing this cutting-edge technology on Samsung's flagship had fans excited. However, leaked details suggest Samsung might take a slightly unconventional approach. Recent reports revealed a list of official Galaxy S25 accessories, including something called a magnet case. At first glance, this seemed like confirmation that the Galaxy S25 would support Ki-2 with magnetic alignment. But digging deeper,